Hi guys, and welcome to the channel, the Wilderness Wisdom channel or Nature Therapy channel. So what's this channel about? So basically we all want a bit more inner joy and to feel happier in our lives, and it's quite difficult in our age when we're so much connected to the screen and computers and lack of movement and all these type of things. So the opposite of that is to get out in nature. But quite often the imagination is so closed by using the screen all the time and being given all the information that it's difficult to connect in a way that opens the whole thing, so you can see clearly and work with the beings that are there in nature, behind the plants and the minerals, and work with them in a open, conscious way. And at the end of the day, when you can manage to do that, that's when you experience joy, because that's how we're built. Our bodies are built with these minerals and substances, living minerals and substances, and created in this godlike fashion. And when we connect with these things on the outside, these plants and the landscape, in a way, in an open way, not through conventional signs which excludes art. When you include art and creativity in your connection, the level of insight and depth of wisdom and knowledge that can come up can be profoundly deep and can bring incredible amounts of joy, happiness and bliss. So that's what the channel's about. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.